всегда так, либо опаздываю, либо за полчаса раньше зачем-то прихожу. Let's go to Garni temple. It's some pagan temple from maybe the 1st century in Armenia, very famous place, and also we will visit monastery Gegard.
Now you know that Armenians they consider their generation from the son of Noah called Japhetos or Habetos. Son of Japhetos was called Gamer. Son of Gamer was called Togorma or Torgom. Son of Togorma was called Haik. Our ancestor Haik favorite view of Ararat, and the name was given Arch of Ararat or Arch of Chalets.
Ararat.
It was officially restored, so 35% of the temple was restored.
На стенах святилища очень много надписей на арабском, на персидском. Ну, здесь в основном говорится, здесь был Вася, здесь была Шутик. Если бы они сейчас это сделали, мы бы назвали их вандалами. Но мы их называем историками, друзья, потому что эти надписи, они 7 века, 9 века. То есть благодаря им узнаем о том, что храм стоял. Это надо не
Kind of creepy feeling, but interesting. And here was a church. After earthquake, it was destroyed with the pagan temple, but this was remade. This wasn't for some reason.
Underground wood burner. This is typical Armenian traditional tonnage. For example, in Georgia, it looks different. Half of it is on the surface. By the way, in Iran, they name Lavash also Nune Armani, means Armenian bread. Nune Armani. So this is 1.5 meters deep tonnage. It can be 2 meters. It can be 1 meter deep. They dig the hole, and from inside they cover the walls of that hole with clay tiles. And then to make it flat, to give the shape, they cover it from inside with the mixture of fresh clay with cow poo. Yeah.
Спасибо, я сказал.
Есть инструменты. Смотрите, никакой лаваш, они друг на друга не похожи. Разные. No Armenian traditional weddings takes place without using lavash.
or holy spear, or spear of loneliness, or spear of destiny, or as we name it, Gegard. It is the spear by what Jesus Christ, he was pierced on his side by the Roman soldier Longinus. So after 11 years of the crucifixion, Armenia was visited by Saint Apostle Thaddeus. He was here to preach Christianity, and he brought it with him as a holy relic from Jesus Christ. From 1st to 13th centuries, we were keeping it in different Armenian cities. From 13th to 18th centuries, it was in Gegard. From 18th century till nowadays, it is in Echmiadzin city, and it is one of the exhibits of Treasury Museum, Gegard.
Есть источник. Здесь, скорее всего, келья находится. Большая часть монастыря — это пещерные